cozy cottage homestead. Old Man Winter has finally arrived to Louisiana. All the preparations on the homestead have been done. Now it's time for us to relax and sip a hot cup of herbal tea. This particular herbal tea is an awesome immune builder. So I have a verse for you today. It is Genesis 1:29. And God said, Behold, I have given you every bearing seed which is upon the face of the earth, and every tree in which is the fruit of a tree yielding seed. To you it shall be for meat. I'll be making more videos on how to make herbal teas. There is a hint in this video as to what type of tea this might possibly be. Tastes just like Christmas in a mug. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a friendly comment. Thank you for watching.